This is the Jayco Redhawk 27N, and I'm going to show you the control panel, which is located just above the side door. On the control panel, you have 4 buttons at the bottom. You have the tank heaters button, which is not something you're going to use since you never operate the unit when it's freezing outside. The water pump button is what you use when you're not connected to power and you want to use the water. You're going to push this up, and that's going to turn the pump on, which will bring water to your faucets and to your toilet. The LP gas and electric are the 2 buttons you're going to use when you want to use hot water in the unit. If you are dry camping and you are not connected to any power, you're going to push the LP gas button, and that is going to use your propane to heat up the water. And if you are connected to power, you're going to use the electric button, and that will use the electric power to heat up the water. Whichever button you press is going to take about 15 minutes for the water to heat up before you're able to use it, so plan accordingly. Up higher, we've got the gauges that show how full each of the tanks are. The gray and black tanks right now are empty. You can see when you hold them, that shows the capacity. So right now they're empty because we've just emptied them. The freshwater tank is also empty because we're not currently using the unit. That is your potable water, anything that comes out of a faucet. The battery means the battery that you use to operate things like the water pump. So that one right now is 2/3 full. This is also where you have the generator button. So in order to use the generator, you're going to follow the instructions up here. Step 1, to start, you hold the stop button for 5 seconds until that red light is on at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to see that flash. And then number 2, you're going to press start. You only want to hold the start button until you hear the generator turn over and no longer. And there it is, and the generator has started.